India Gate, a monument of remembrance. India Gate is a prominent war memorial located in New Delhi, India. It stands as a majestic sandstone arch reminiscent of the Arc de Triomphe in Paris. This iconic structure serves as a poignant tribute to the 70,000 Indian soldiers who valiantly sacrificed their lives while serving in the British Army during World War I, 1940 to 1918, and the Third Anglo-Afghan War 1919. Key features and significance. Architectural marvel designed by the renowned British architect Sir Edwin Lutyens. India Gate is a masterpiece of architectural grandeur. Its imposing sandstone structure, adorned with intricate carvings, creates a lasting impression. Inscription of honor. The names of over 13,000 soldiers, including some British officers, are engraved on the gate, immortalizing their bravery and sacrifice. Amar Jawan Jyoti. Beneath the arch lie the Amar Jawan Jyoti, flame of the immortal soldier, a black marble plinth bearing a reversed rifle and a soldier's helmet. These internal flames serves as a poignant reminder of the soldiers' unwavering dedication to their duty. Ceremonial axis. India Gate is situated at the eastern end of the Rajpath, formerly known as Kingsway, a ceremonial boulevard that forms part of New Delhi's grand urban plan, a symbol of patriotism. Beyond its historical significance, India Gate has become a powerful symbol of Indian patriotism and national pride. It stands as a testament of the courage and sacrifice of those who fought for their country. Visiting India Gate is a popular tourist destination and a significant landmark in New Delhi. Visitors can freely explore the surrounding gardens, admire the architecture, and pay their respects at the Amar Jawan Jyoti. The area around India Gate often hosts various cultural events and celebrations. In sense, India Gate is more than just a monument. It is a poignant reminder of the sacrifices made by countless soldiers and a symbol of India's enduring spirit. More informative videos, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for notification, and if you have any question, please comment. I hope your career and future life are filled with happiness and success.